You won't believe the changes True Balance Bank has made in 2026. Most people think traditional banks are slow and outdated, but True Balance has reinvented itself with digital-first features, high-yield accounts, and smart tools that make managing money effortless. True Balance offers checking and savings accounts with no monthly fees and competitive interest rates. You can set multiple financial goals like an emergency fund, a vacation, or home down payment, and the app automatically allocates funds toward each goal, helping you grow your money efficiently. Even small, consistent deposits can make a big difference over time thanks to compound interest. The dashboard is sleek and easy to navigate. You can see your total balances, track spending trends, and receive real-time alerts for unusual activity or upcoming bills. It's perfect for staying on top of your finances without having to dive into complex spreadsheets. Security is a major priority. True Balance uses multi-factor authentication, end-to-end encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available through chat, email, or phone for any questions or issues. The limitation: True Balance focuses mainly on banking and saving. If you're looking for advanced investing or trading tools, you'll need a separate platform. But for anyone who wants a secure, modern, and automated way to manage money, True Balance is a strong choice. So, is True Balance Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want a reliable, secure, and tech-forward bank that helps your money grow, True Balance delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of apps and banks that make managing money smarter and simpler.